Hey folks, Jonathan Walker here from Transparent Traders. I'm going to show you today on Webull how to create a gap up scanner for stocks under $10. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to do when you got you can do this on the mobile app, the desktop version. I prefer the web browser. That's what I have up here now, but it all works pretty much the same. So first thing you're going to want to do is click on the screener icon. Make sure you start from scratch. We'll come in here, we'll turn off this financial indicator. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the quotes indicator. We're going to make sure we have market cap, price, percent change, and volume all selected. For market, United States, exchange all, sectors all. So for the market cap, we're going to change this to 0.1, which is going to be 100 million. And then for this one, we'll expand all the way out, max it out. So for price, of course, we'll put in $1 to $10. And then for percent change, I'm going to say I will for this one, I'm going to pick 8% gap up for a minimum. And then over here, of course, we can max this all the way out. Whatever we want it to be. Volume, I want to see at least 100,000 shares, and then of course we'll max this rest of this one out. And there you go. You can see that we got 79 to choose from that you can start watching. And you can see right here, this is going to be your after hours, pre-market after hours, your change percent. You can filter by how it wants. But the one thing you'll always want to do when you're doing, I like to filter by volume, so I have all the high volume ones up at the top because I want to make sure if I get into something, I can get out. So yeah, it might have gapped up, but it might have only had 1,000 shares trade, and I don't want to get stuck in something. So like I did on some of the other previous videos, you can create this into a watch list. So you just say create watch list, and you can say 8% gap up stocks. Under we'll just say minus $10 for under, and you hit save. And then when you come up here to your watch list, you should be able to see it there. And of course, then when you come into your trading platform, of course, here's your trade-in, your normal. You'll be able to select your 8%. You have it all filtered. You should be able to pop it up and put it on everything. So there you go, folks. That's a gap up scanner on how you make it on Webull, and this works basically same criteria on the mobile app, web browser app, and the desktop app. And as always, folks, base hits pad the wallet. Jonathan Walker out.